Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Java not opening the jar file. So for example, this one, if I double click on this, it opens up in a notepad, which is completely wrong. What you need to do is just right click on the file, okay? And then hover over open with, and you'll see Java of course, but if you don't want to do this every single time, click here on choose another app, okay? So choose that, and then from here, we need to first select Java and make sure you toggle this one on. Always use this app to open .jar files, and then just go ahead and click on OK, and you'll see your desktop refresh, and now this file has been changed to a .jar file, okay? And every time you open it, it will open using a Java. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.